Can you spot the mistake in this false proof? So today I will show you that 3 must be equal to 5. Again, this is just a false proof, and your goal is to spot the mistake. Alright, so let's start. To start our false proof, let's have x be equal to 3 and y equals to 5. So now, let's add these two equations. If we do that, we get that x plus y must be equal to 3 plus 5, and 3 plus 5 must be equal to 8. Now again, take note that x must be equal to 3 and y must be equal to 5. We set this a while ago. Now let's continue. What we're going to do here is to multiply both sides by x minus y. Now, take note, x minus y is not equal to 0 because this is just 3 minus 5. And 3 minus 5 is not equal to 0. So, this is not equal to 0. Also, the other side, x minus y, is not equal to 0. Alright, so let's focus on this equation. Now, let's simplify. X minus y multiplied by x plus y. The left-hand side can be written as x squared minus y squared. We all know that. Now, on the right-hand side, let's distribute this 8 to x minus y. So we get something like 8x minus 8y. Now, what we're going to do is to rearrange some terms a little bit. So we need to add y squared on both sides, and we need to subtract 8x on both sides. So this looks something like this. We have now x squared minus 8x on the left side and y squared minus 8y on the right hand side. Now, let's add 16 on both sides. And then, what we're going to do is take note that the left hand side and the right hand side are factorable. X squared minus 8x plus 16 can be factored as x minus 4 quantity squared. So if we square this, x minus 4 quantity squared, this simplifies to x squared minus 8x plus 16. Alright, let's go back to its factored form. Also, the right-hand side, y squared minus 8y plus 16, can be factored also as y minus 4 quantity squared. And now take note, we have two expressions that is both squared. Therefore, we can say that x minus 4, their bases, and y minus 4 must be the same. Or simply, if we get the square root on both sides, we get x minus 4 and y minus 4 on both sides. So we can say that x minus 4 equals to y minus 4. Now, let's add 4 on both sides. If we do that, we cancel out negative 4 and positive 4, and negative 4 positive 4. This will give us the value of x must be equal to y. And take note, from the start, we set that x equals to 3 and y equals to 5. Therefore, is 3 equals to 5? Alright, can you spot the mistake? Again, I will show you the steps. First, we add x equals 3 and y equals 5. So we have x plus y equals to 8. And then, we need to multiply both sides by x minus y. And I take note that x minus y is not equal to 0. So we are not multiplying both sides by 0. We are not dividing both sides by 0. Alright, now, the left-hand side is simply equal to x squared minus y squared. And then we distribute the 8 on the right-hand side. And then we need to rearrange some terms a little bit. So we have x squared minus 8y equals y squared minus 8y. And then let's add 16 on both sides. This is legal because 16 is a positive number, right? Now, we factor the right-hand side and the left-hand side. So this will give us x minus 4 quantity squared. And on the right-hand side, y minus 4 quantity squared. And then if we get the square root on both sides, we get something like x minus 4 equals y minus 4. Now, if we add 4 on both sides, we get that x equals to y, wherein x equals 3 and y equals 5. So, does it mean that 3 is also equal to 5? Alright, so pause this video and see if you can spot the mistake. And if you found the mistake, Just comment your answer on the comment section down below. Alright, before I end this video, I will give you some clues. Alright, and then see you on the comment section. And as always, we are not yet done.